I think it was a mix of two things. Yiddish, it just kind of, when I heard it was here, it was just kind of immediately intriguing. And beyond that, I really liked kind of 3 weeks of kind of immersion into something. And Yiddish just seemed so appropriate. All other things were kind of like, oh, okay, I could do that, I could do that. But, or I could just study Yiddish for 3 weeks, and that would be fantastic. And it really was. I really enjoyed it a lot, and I thought it was a great mix between the Yiddish and culture and kind of, really, learning Yiddish, but also kind of like learning Eastern European shtetl life, and so those were great together. I don't know what attracted me. It was kind of when I saw it was there. It was kind of like Israel. It was kind of, oh, this, okay, that's what I'm doing, and there are other things, but that's what I'm doing.